What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a wedding application form into your WordPress website for free into a fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in our choose internet on our site's favor, okay? So for this fully customizable wedding form, we're gonna need a plugin. So go to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're gonna be able to see a keyword option, and into the search plugins, you're gonna type WP Forms. So WP Forms, just like this. And we're gonna be installing this guy right here by WP Forms. So click on install now. Contact form by WP Forms, drag and drop form builder for WordPress. Click on install, activate it. The plugin gonna redirect you to the welcome page or to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. You can go back to your WordPress dashboard, and as soon as you do this, you're gonna be able to see a new menu into your WordPress left sidebar of menus. Next to appearance, you're gonna be able to see WP Forms. Hover your mouse over it and click on add new, okay? Right here into the add new, we're gonna be able to create a new form from a pre-built template. So you have no need to create the form step by step, field by field. All you have to do is select a template. So very first thing to do is type a name for our form. In this case, gonna be wedding. And into the all templates, you have available templates, new templates, favorite templates. These are Pro templates, okay? If you are Pro user, you can unlock more templates, but we want to keep this for free because we can customize the free templates as well. So just type wedding, and you're gonna be able to find an amazing free template called wedding date application form. Click on use template. This is gonna loads up the plugin editor, and here is our fully customizable wedding template. So social media headlines, email, who do you live with, age, a color, age, do you drink. This is a very interesting form, okay? You can customize the questions, you can apply some description for the answers in the case that you want. You can change all of the parts that you want, for example, where you are located, okay? You can customize into the advanced field, you can change the placeholder text, the size of the field. We can customize the form in the way that you want, okay? It's up to you and your wedding application dates needs. So after this, you're gonna click into the save button into the upper right corner of your screen, and then you're gonna need to embed this form. There is a couple of methods to embed, but if you click right here, we can select an existing page to apply this form in or create a new page. Let's create a new page called wedding, and the plugin gonna automatically create a new page for you and automatically adds the form on it, okay? So here is the page, here is the form, fully functional, okay, with all the questions, and if some person submit, you're gonna receive an email and receive a form entries. Let me show you. Don't forget to publish the page, okay? So if you go to WP Forms into our WordPress left sidebar of menus, there is entries on this place where you can see the forms, okay? In the case that you are a Pro user, but if not, no needs to worry, okay? You can receive all the forms into our email, okay, with no problem and for free. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Your form gonna be right here, okay? Into the forms overview, there is a short code in the case that you want to apply this form into a widget, into a page builder element or widget, okay? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. If you are in need of the best wedding WordPress theme for your site, go to visualmodo.com and find our wedding theme, okay? In the case that you want to have more widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your WordPress website, search for our Board WordPress plugin. It's completely free. or Enzo WordPress theme in the case that you are in need of a free WordPress theme to be able to customize your site. Go to our WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, search for Enzo. It's completely free, okay? In the case that you want to submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, go to our growth.net, growth with 3 W's, so submit your site and connect with a growing blogging community. And in the case that you want to go premium while doing your WordPress website, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass and unlock access to our full templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best!